Girls, it's Mrs. Johnson again. I'm here to do our non-standard measurement activity with you. You've just finished watching our video and I hope you learned a lot about measuring with different things like the paper cutouts of people. Well, today we're going to use a paper cutout of your foot. And after watching the foot book by Dr. Seuss, we're going to use our foot to see what kinds of things we can find around our house then and how many feet long they are. So, in your packet you should have a green piece of construction paper, so I want you to find that. And then you'll need a pencil or something to write with and a pair of scissors. So what you're going to do is you're going to trace your foot. You might need help, so find an adult around or older brother or sister to help you. But I would just put it on the floor. I'm going to put my foot on the green paper, making sure that I have green all the way around the outside of my foot. You don't want it hanging on over the edge. Then you're going to take your pencil and you're just going to trace around your foot, all the way, around the back, around the sides, until you go back to where you started. Okay? And when I lift it up, then you can see that I have traced the outline of my foot. It looks a little silly, but that's okay. So then you're going to just carefully cut that out. Best that you can. I'm just going to do it quickly. Now, the reason we call it non-standard measurement is because my foot is obviously going to be bigger than your foot. And that's okay. All feet are going to be the different sizes. But we're going to still judge how long something is with my size of foot and compared to your size of foot. So, if I'm going to measure first my table, so I'm going to use my table here. Remember from our video it showed us that you take the edge of what you're using to measure against the edge of your item. So I'm going to put the heel of my foot against the edge of my table. So I know that's my starting place. Then I got to know where it finishes. So in our video they used a block, but I'm going to just use my finger. Or you can use your pencil even, okay? So if I use my pencil or my finger and I lay it right here at the edge of my foot, then I can lift up my foot. But you got to keep track of how many feet you're counting. So we know that's one. So now I'm going to put the other one right at my finger. The edge of my heel touches where my finger is. And now that makes 2. I'm going to try it again. Touch where my finger is. I'm going to keep going. Okay? So I had, remember, 1, 2, now that makes 3. All right, and now I'm going to keep going. I'm going to come over here so you can see it better. Just keep my finger in the spot. Move the last one, and that makes how many? 4. You're right. Okay, now, do I have enough room to do another one? No, I don't have enough room. So I had about 4 feet across the width of my table. Now, I don't have room to say another one. I could say it was 4 and a little bit more, but I'm just going to call it 4. It was about 4 feet long. So then you could record this on your paper. I gave you 6 items to go find in your house to measure. So you need to measure all of those, count how many feet they are. You can either go across the width, how wide it is, or you can do the length, how long it is. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. So there's 6 activities, or I said it again, items that you need to go measure. And then the bottom 3 boxes are for you to go find anything around your house that you like to use your foot to measure with. Draw a little picture of it, label it with the word so you know what it is, and then measure to see how long it is. Okay? Have fun with this activity, and remember, Dr. Seuss with the foot book. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.